Hi, this is Derek Anderson with Drilling Equipment Resources, and full disclosure, I don't make that many videos, so we're going to do our best here. But we've got a 1 quart repackaged pail of thread grease. I'm going to open it up and kind of show everybody what this stuff looks like. So the best thing I can do is use a spoon for my daughter's birthday party. She just turned 4. And a shout out to Jake Ford for giving me the encouragement to do it. But if you look at this, it's kind of like a thicker, as he said, pudding, okay? And it has the smell of like a linseed oil, some type of organic oil, but you can see it looks kind of like chocolate pudding. And so my idea here, I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but my idea is I'm going to take this drill with this drill bit, just something out of the garage, with some natural flights in the drill bit, just to show how this is going to adhere. I've never done this actually, so let's see how this goes. But so you can see it kind of climbs it right there. Okay, and now let's try not to make too much of a mess in our kitchen, but there you go. So I'm going to put it in here. I'm just going to spin it around. So it's going to sling off the end. Okay, so, but you can see it's still stuck pretty well to that drill bit. And obviously I had a ton on there, so it's slung off. But if I keep going, as fast as this drill goes, which I think I've got it on the highest setting, so it's got to be in the, I'm going to go one more higher speed maybe. No, that's the highest it goes. So you can see there that it's still stuck all the way through all those flights. Maybe on the very tip of this drill bit it started to come out. But I think that's probably an unrealistic test, because when you're making up a joint, it's going to be encapsulated in the pin in the box of the joint. So kind of shows you the tackiness in it. They do add natural tackifiers. So this is completely bio-friendly. It's safe for animals and humans. It meets all the OSHA requirements. And